Hey child, welcome back to my channel. So another day, another celebrity has come into the beauty field with a product line, and this time it is my boo, Dionte Gray. Now if you do not know who Dionte Gray is, that's just his real name. The name y'all probably know him as is Arrogant Tae. Yes, Arrogant Tae has his own product line out now, and I'ma just state the obvious because I know how y'all are in the internet streets. Anytime I post a celebrity line, y'all get to cutting up in the comments. So I'm gonna go ahead and say it for you so you can go on about your business and we can move on from here. When I think of Tae, I think of wig hair. I'm just being honest. I don't think of like the hair underneath there and all that other good stuff, but he has a product line. I just went ahead and bought it. I said I want to support my baby. I love the impact. Him, Ari, and Tucson together, chef's kiss. So I went ahead and I bought this so I can, number one, support him. Number two, show it off for the people that are interested in it so you can know what you're getting if you get it. Speaking of know what you're getting, come here, babe. Listen. Right now, today, as I'm recording this, I actually delayed recording this because your site is offline. But when it was online, there was a few things that I needed adjusted. So just in case they working on the site on the back end now, here's what I need adjusted, boo. Number one, I need you to update the website to include the actual ingredients on the site so that the people that want to purchase it can know what's in it before they do. What do I mean by that? I'm in the natural hair community, and one of the things that a lot of naturals like is products without silicone. And so in purchasing this, I didn't know what the ingredients were, if it was clean, girl friendly, and all that other good stuff, but to other people that actually matter. So I definitely say when the site comes back online, make sure you have the ingredient list there. Number two, bring the site back up quickly because listen, my order was wrong. All right, and so there's another reason I delayed posting the video, but I bought products with the mind of making this video. I bought the shampoo, the deep treatment, the leave-in, and the serum to style with. Instead of the leave-in, they gave me a rinse out conditioner. That's cute, but I want what I want. And so there's no way for me to contact you right now because again, the site is offline. So there's something, bring it back. Number three, I need you to update your shipping policy because I ordered my products on the day that it went live, which was December 17th. I received my products on the 31st. That's your little time. So I need you to, if you know the product's gonna be a little late, let us know in advance. You know, I ain't gonna get antsy or nothing, but still, you listen. And then when it was late, I did contact the site and I didn't get no response. All right, so yeah, let's you know, brush up on some things. Now I love you now. I'm a little older than you, so I'm just this big sister to little bro. Fix the website while it's down, you know, work out those little kinks. But again, I ain't gonna be too hard on you because this is a new business and all the other good jazz. I get it. So I just want to put that out there. Number one, if you can cut down on the shipping time and get it here faster, that would be great. Number two, add the ingredients to the website so we can know what we buy. Number three, the customer service. Like I said, I contacted to get a status update on my order because it took 2 weeks and I never got a response back. The order just showed up one day. So, you know, clean that up. And then as far as me not getting the leave-in, that's not a big deal because human error happens to anybody. And so once I am able to contact you all to get the product replaced, I'm going to do that. But in the meantime, in between time, I'm a content creator. My audience gonna get this content. So long intro out the way, let's go ahead and wet this hair over and get to washing. Oh, before I do, these products, to those who are ingredient conscious, because this is a line that is intended for all, meaning straight to curly and coily hair, they do use silicone. So if you are one of those, I don't want that, I just want juices and berries, this is not the line for you. Just let this be your entertainment. Let's get into the pricing. I got the hydrating shampoo and this is 24 American dollars. The jojoba deep conditioner and this is 26 American dollars. I got the leave-in, but it ain't here, so we just gonna use it in this place. This was 16 American dollars. But in reality, this is the rinse out conditioner. I can't tell you how many American dollars it is because the website is down. Lastly, we got 4 ounces of keratin infused serum. This joint right here is 20 American dollars. So for 4 products, I paid $95.90 with the shipping because the shipping was $9.90. So do with that information what you will. Yeah, let's go ahead with the hair and we're gonna get this video started. All right, long intro out the way. Let's bust these products open. Honey, this is the hydrating shampoo. It has luxurious marula and argan oils. It's meant to moisturize. That's what, child, whatever. And also no parabens, sulfates, or sodium chloride. It's color and straightener safe, UV and thermal protecting. First thing I'm noticing is the smell. It has a traditional salon quality smell. I don't know if you catch what I'm saying, but it's not like fruity and scent. It's like that smell when you go to a salon and use those professional products. It's not overly fragrant, but I can smell it. It smells good. Now I'm actually gonna move kind of fast because that intro was kind of long. And as far as shampoos go, I really don't care. Just clean my hair without making it feel like the Sahara Desert dry. And so for this, I won't know how it feels until I rinse it out. So let me go ahead and work up 2 lathers. I'm gonna rinse it out and I'm gonna tell you what I'm thinking so far. But so far, I think I like it. And just like that, we back. So as far as the shampoo went, it cleansed my hair. It didn't dry it out. I have no problem with that. That was the only requirement I had of it. So for me, it got an A in my book. So let's get into this. This is the one I'm excited about, which is the jojoba deep conditioner. So this has jojoba and 12 botanical extracts, no parabens or sodium chloride. It's color and straightener safe. It's meant to smooth and strengthen. So wait, do y'all got protein in there? What you mean? Yeah, it does have protein in it, so keep that in mind. It has soy protein, wheat protein, and it does have keratin. All right, child, let's go ahead and try it out. So, oh, I gotta, my bad. All right, so this is what we're working with. Child, what is these little, the glitter? Honey, this ain't got glitter. I know it's more than likely not picking up on camera, but there are little specks in here. It's like gray and okay. Anyway, let's go ahead and apply it. It feels super thick in my hands, baby. She thick. So, why does it smell like Jergens? It smells good, but it definitely is giving Jergens or something like this. So it feels very lightweight. It feels very lightweight. It's just, all right, so let's try to turn it up a notch. Yeah, that helped a lot. Because at first I was like, what is this taste? It don't feel so good. But once my hair is really, really wet, it's helpful. So I think definitely for the sake of filming, I'm right here, but do this in your shower would probably work a lot better. So anyway, I am going to, they have the instructions to leave it on your hair for 5 minutes. But for a deeper conditioner, go ahead and use some heat and leave that on for 10 minutes. So you already know where we going with this. So on the count of 3, we are going to say, hey, Samantha, 1, 2, 3. Hey, but you supposed to pop, be extra, child. Let's go ahead. Wait, okay. All right, child. This fro is so irritant. This is so stupid. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get it under dry. Let it sit for 15 minutes. I'm gonna rinse it out and I'll let you know where I work. Be right back. So I just rinsed out my hair. Tay, come here. You killed it with that one. Okay, so listen. I actually did not make it under the dryer. I just kept the cap on my head and I sat and edited some stuff. And before I knew it, about 20 minutes had passed. I wish I had got under the dryer because I know it would have elevated it even more. But my scalp's heat did the work. In the 20 minutes I was sitting here, honey, when I went to rinse my hair, I immediately felt a softness and a moisture. I was like, oh, but then when I rinsed it out, it felt like something was slipping out. But then I realized this is the perfect, listen to me, it is perfectly balanced when it comes to moisture and strengthening. This is a really nice product. Yeah, so I don't have a leave-in to judge, so we're gonna skip that part. I'm going to style with the serum. I'm not gonna do anything with this because I'm actually going to return it. Now, as far as the directions, it says after shampooing and conditioning, apply to towel dried hair and work through the hair. Proceed to blow dry or let dry naturally. Because I'm going to wear a curly style, I'm gonna use this a little different than the directions because to be quite honest, the type of hair I got, it's not use a serum and go for the wash and go type of situation. I need a gel or a mousse. A serum just ain't gonna get it done. So what I'm gonna do real quick is go off camera. I'm going to blow dry my hair with a heat protector and then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna use this for a twist out. I'll be right back. All right, so let's go ahead and wrap this up. So my hair has been blown out. I did not use the serum during the blowout process, just a little bit of heat protecting. And so let's get into this bad boy right here. So I am just gonna do a little bit of a twist out just to see how my hair does because again, I don't have the serum and wash and go combination type of hair. Not my plan in life. Oh, it's milky. Oh, I don't know why I thought it's gonna be something else, but this is it. So I'm just rub that together and put it on this whole section. Ooh, that smells good. It's strong though. All right, so we got it on this whole section, and from there, I'm just gonna do a twist out. So take some hair and twist that bad boy. And I'm not doing it like in a really organized way because if I'm honest, I don't have that many high hopes on it. And it's not that I think that the product is gonna be bad. It's just I prefer gels and mousses when I do my hair. Even a custard if I'm feeling fancy, but a serum is usually, I use it in combination with something else. So this is a little different. All right, okay. So once again, I'm gonna just take this section of hair and twist it all the way down. That's pretty much what I'm gonna do throughout my entire head, is just make sure every section got some serum on it and twist it all the way down. So let me go off camera and I'm gonna come back and show you what it's like when I'm done. But so far it does feel really silky in my hand, so I think it would be good. If I was doing a heat style, I think I would have a better review of it. I'm really just doing it so that I could show you a little bit of what it looks like on natural hair. So let me go ahead and apply it again, applying serum, twisting it down, and then twirl it around my finger. I'll come back when I'm done. And we are back on our silly teas, honey. I'm giving very much so the color purple, but hopefully it's cute when it's dry. So speaking of dry, I'm gonna get under the dryer, my hoodie dry, and let it completely dry, kind of like let the serum activate and do whatever it's gonna do. And I'm gonna come back and show y'all the takedown process. But so far, I'll be honest, it's not giving too promising, because I think that's better used for heat styling. But I'm gonna just go ahead and give it a shot, take one for the team, and I'll come back and let you see what it's looking like. All right, the hair is dry. Let me take down a twist and see what it is given. All right, so in unraveling it, okay, it's cool. So I'm gonna separate it just a little bit. It's soft. Okay, yeah, the hold is minimal to say, baby, this don't have no hold at all. So honey, I had to pin this thing on up because no. All right, so let me give you my final fair, unbiased opinions on everything. As far as the shampoo goes, cleansed my hair, did not strip my hair. This is a very good shampoo. I was trying to think of the name of what this smells like. It smells like a Redken product. Like, this is actually a nice shampoo. As far as the deep conditioner, it gave me moisture, it gave me strengthening. I think it's a really good protein moisture balanced product. 100% I would use it again. Would I repurchase it? I actually would. I really would. So let's get into the leave-in. And that's that on that. Now the serum. I would not style my hair in a natural curly style with this. I would definitely stick to using this for a blow dry straightened style. Like if I'm going to flat iron my hair, I would use this. It doesn't have any hold whatsoever, and for my hair type, I need some things with a little pressure on it. Also, with the amount I use, I actually do have, I don't know if you all could see it, but I did end up with flaking as well. So the serum, not for my natural hairstyling. I would revisit it when I do blow out my hair. So overall, I do think that he has a nice cohesive line. If somebody was interested in purchasing it, I would say that it was good. Like, I really do like it. Is it something that I think that everybody just needs to run online and buy? I would just say it's up to you. If you want to support Tay, yes. If you are looking for something for your blow dry routine, sure. And that's just really that on that. Like, honestly, I like the line. And so that is that. I need to go get some mousse and do a braid out or something, because this serum is not seruming me like I needed to serum. That's why I didn't even put on no makeup to close out the video, because I was like, honey, what's going on now? All right, so I got to go get myself together, get all cute and carrying on, and that is the end of this video. So if y'all have any questions, leave them down below. I love y'all. Maki, and I'm out this piece, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye. Hey, Tucson.